Hello traders, welcome to Investoo.com's Crude Oil Trading 101. In this lesson, we are going to take a look at the market profile on crude oil. And well, it's very important for you to understand what market profile is and how it works. And basically what market profile is this indicator that I have on my chart that creates this histogram and these horizontal lines on the chart. Now, what this histogram is basically the amount of trading that has been going on a single level. And the bigger the histogram goes, the more contracts or the more lots have been traded on that level. And on the level where most contracts were traded on a session, that is called the point of control. For example, the point of control of this session is 50.52, which is this area right here where we have the most volume traded for that day. If we go down, the point of control of this session is right here, 49.82, because this is where the most contracts have been or were traded on this session alone. And right now, the point of control of this session, of today's session, is right here, 48.65, because this is the area where most contracts have been traded. Okay, so basically this is the market profile. You don't know how, you don't need to understand how the market profile is created. What you need to understand is what it shows. The histogram, where is the point of control, and this rectangle is the value area. And we have the high of the value area and the low of the value area. Okay, now why is important to have a market profile when you're trading crude oil? Well, that's very easy. If we look at this short opportunity that we looked on the previous lesson, then you're going to see that price dropped. And if I'm going to add the volume indicator, tick volume indicator right now. And well, as you can see right here, here is where we were talking about a spike in volume in crude oil, and on where we decided to go short. Okay, now if we were short here, the correct target would have been this point of control zone. Let's zoom in on the chart and let's look what happened here. We went down to the point of control, which is this zone right here, and what happened? Price starts to churn. Okay, we broke with the point of control, then buyers came into the market, then sellers came in and tried to break through the point of control again, then buyers came in, etc., before we went lower. Okay, and if you look at the volume on the trading that was going on at the point of control, is much higher than the volume of the breakout to the downside, which means that not only the volume is going to be higher at the point of control, but also we are going to maybe find buyers here. Okay, because this is a very important level that was tested before, and it's an important level that where volume was implicated on the past session. So be careful when you are trading crude oil, because you really need to have a market profile, and you don't need an expensive indicator for your platform. All you need to know is where the most volume was traded, because the volume indicator is not going to show you the levels, it's only going to show you the volume spikes. Okay, so when you are trading crude oil, look for spikes in volume, look for spikes in volume at the point of control zones, and look for price action, and or look for the reaction in price action. Okay, now if you are trading, if you're already in a trade, look to take profits around those points of control, or at least take half of your position off, and continue to look at what the market is telling you. Not only price action, but the players in the market, where the big money is stepping in, where the big money is stepping out.